I don't know about you guys, but recently I've been getting a lot of orders for white oak, either trailer decking or bridge decking, and I'm about out of white oak. It's going to be one hot day today, but I have another order of white oak trailer decking to knock out, so let's start on that. White oak that is 13 foot long. Gentleman said he needs at least 12 foot 6 inches for his trailer. So I've got a 13 foot long white oak log. It is 13 inches on this side, 12 inches on the small end. And I am cutting it at 8 inches wide and 6 inches wide by 2 1/4. On the mill, I am using a Cook's blade. You see in the previous video, I started on it on the poplar, so I'm going to continue using this on the white oak and see how it works, see how it does. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Help this channel out tremendously. Does not cost you anything. I really need to start working on possibly getting a electric start type of mill. Hydraulic mill would be great. How many pulls? It's a Kohler motor, never fails. 1 to 2 pulls, and it sits outside, no cover whatsoever. I really like the Kohler motor. So I am trying to maximize the use of this log. I need an 8-inch cant, or 8-inch wide cant. So far I have 9-inch and an 8. So I am going to take another inch slab off of this. I'm going to knock it down to 8 inches wide and roll it back over and start knocking out my 2 1/4 inch trailer decking. Beautiful grain, white oak, 8-inch thick. Let's see, I need 2 1/2-inch boards, and this is, 2 1/4. This is 9 1/4. I like to use this methodology. Always go for your biggest, for your widest boards first, just in case something doesn't work out. So I need 8-inch and I need 6-inch wide, 2 1/4 inch thick boards. So I'm going to knock out my 8-inch. I think the first cut and the last cut might be what I need for a 6-inch, but I'm going to knock those out first because you never know in your next log, maybe you'll have some rot or too much wane, and then you have to rip it down to 6. So you let me know how you guys do it. I said I prefer to do the thickest boards or the widest boards first. That way I know what I have. Looking at this log, it looks to be about 24 inches in diameter. I forgot to square this off, and it's a little bit rotten, but let's go around this side. I've got this turbo jet I need to remove. The rest of it is a pretty good log. I think, let's see. This one on this side is 13 inches. See what this looks like. I don't know about you guys, but this was one heavy log. Hydraulics sure would be nice, but I don't have them, so let's take off another slab and keep trucking. Well, today is another day. I had to cut it short yesterday. It started, well, first of all, it got pretty hot. It was in the 90s, and then thunderstorms came in, but I can't complain about the thunderstorms. So today I need to finish up this trailer decking order. I can't believe this. I thought I hit record and I totally didn't. And I missed one of the mistakes that I made. I've actually never done this before, but I have this time, so let me show you what happened. After I took the slab off and I went to roll the log over, it actually rolled over on the other side. My log stops or bunks kind of failed. I didn't have them tight enough. They retracted down and the log flew over. So now I'm gonna get the tractor, pick it up, and set it on the mill that way. I know I'm not the only one this has happened to, but it's the first time for me, so I thought I'd want to share with you guys. All right, got it on the mill, ready to go. You know, these big logs are a pain in the butt, especially the heavy ones, the white oak ones. I get a lot of trailer decking requests, but I'm not a big fan of cutting them because they are, 2.5 or 2 inches plus thick, and sometimes they're as wide as 12 or 14 inches wide. And white oak gets very heavy on this manual mill. But if I keep doing this, I'm gonna have to start thinking about a hydraulic mill. Anyway, enough of me talking. Let's get back to milling this. Take off half an inch off the stop, mainly because it's not very even right here. hope I have enough of this can to finish my job, because I don't have any more red oak. I'm sorry, white oak. So the order is complete and stacked. I had a question for you guys. What do you charge for white oak, especially trailer decking? Obviously white oak is white oak. I have it fairly readily available, but not as available as red oak. And I've been charging $2.50 per board foot, but I think I might need to go to $3 a board foot. What do you guys think? And let me show you what $600 worth of white oak looks like. Here I have 9 8-inch wide and 4 6-inch wide, 2 1/4 inch thick, 12-foot long white oak trailer decking. And I charged the customer $600, as this was, I don't even remember. Anyway, $600 at $2.50 a board foot. Do you guys think I should charge more? And of course, this is going to be it for me. I am, the rain is getting ready to come back, and it's supposed to be raining for the next couple of days. We definitely need some rain. I can't speak. And, but I am glad I got this order finished up right there. And one thing I want to point out is that sawmill, manual sawmill, when you're working heavy timbers like this, is a workout. I sure do wish I had a hydraulic mill. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please follow along, please subscribe, and help this channel grow. And I will see you on the next video.